Android Studio, Layout Editor.
The Layout Editor provides a powerful WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get interface that makes UI design intuitive and efficient. The Layout Editor has three main sections. On the left, the palette containing all available UI components and the component tree. In the center, the design surface where we build our layout. On the right, the properties or attributes panel.
Let's look at the different views available in the palette. Common components like button, text view, edit text. Drag a button from the palette onto the design surface. Adding and positioning components. See how constraints appear as dotted lines.
Add and get constraints by clicking it on 3 plus points.
We can adjust margins using the Properties panel. Change the size using handles.
Set width and height to extend or reduce the size. Use wrap_content versus match_parent 0 DP values.